welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls game error unable to launch with DirectX 11 since the project is not configured to support it. So if you are also going through this kind of error and looking for fixes, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. The very first thing before you launch the game is to check the system requirements of the game. Make sure you have checked the required specs that is needed to play the game on your system. So after searching for the game, you just have to make sure you have all the required specs that is mentioned over here. After that, check if the problem is resolved or not and you can play it or not. If not, next is to remove any text from the game properties. So just to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to delete any text that is written like -dx11 or dx12 or something else. Make sure you delete all of those, and after that try to launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for it, and after that launch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. Next method is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is an update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if the error you're coming across is fixed or not. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Now after the website opens, from here you have to select your graphics card, or you simply have to enter the details of your graphics cards manually, and after that you have to click on the find option. So after that you will get the details of graphics cards over here. Select your graphics card, click on the view option, and other details will be available, as well as a download option. So can simply click on download option. After downloading your graphics card, you have to update it, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game, here you have to click on the arrow again, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. So after doing this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. So using these few methods you can easily fix the error you are coming across while launching the game MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.